Hi, I'm Tom Wright, speaking to you from my study here in Oxford. Let me invite you to join me in a video series based on a major recent book called The New Testament in Its World. My co-author Michael Bird and I produced this book quite recently, and this video series is designed to accompany it. We filmed the series on location in Israel and Greece and Rome. We had a lot of fun doing it, and I hope you will as you watch it. I think it'll open your eyes to a bigger picture of what the New Testament really was in its original context, how it works, and what the original authors were really trying to say. The series, like the whole book, is designed to help you make connections between the various different parts of early Christianity, and also the connections between early Christianity as a whole and ourselves today, who we are and what we're supposed to be doing in our own time and place. The goal is, as always, for anyone at any age to learn more about the Bible, what it meant then and what it means now. And our goal for this video series is that it will help you do just that. So let me warmly encourage you to join us on this journey into the world of the New Testament. You can stream it right now at masterlectures.zondervanacademic.com. That's masterlectures, all one word with a capital ML, .zondervanacademic, all one word with a capital ZA.com. masterlectures.zondervanacademic.com. Thank you and happy viewing.